I am grateful to you, and I'm deeply humbled and honored by this appointment. I'm particularly humbled because of where we stand today, the Freedom Tower. Over 50 years ago, my parents, like so many others, came to this country from Cuba to start rebuilding their lives in a land that offered them opportunity, but more importantly, freedom. I know that the farthest thing from their minds when they arrived here with only the clothes on their back and their education was that their only child would be here standing today with the governor at Florida at an event like this today, especially since my father had to give up his dream of becoming a lawyer. I cannot tell you how thrilled I am today to be able to share this with my parents, Antonio y Araceli Lagoa. I was born in Miami and I grew up in Hialeah, a great community filled with many hardworking families. I rode my bike and I roller skated down the streets and the sidewalks of Hialeah under the watchful eye of my grandmother, while my parents worked long hours. My parents' sacrificed to send me to Catholic school, further instilling in me an abiding faith in God that has grounded me and sustained me through the highs and lows of life. I never imagined, while I was attending FIU, that I would be an appellate court judge at the court next door to that university. The Florida Supreme Court is tasked with the protection of the people's liberties under law. And in that regard, I am particularly mindful of the fact that under our constitutional system, it is for the legislature and not the courts to make the law. It is the role of judges to apply, not to alter, the work of the people's representatives. And it is the role of judges to interpret our Constitution and statutes as they are written. Mami and Papi, your hard work, your belief in the value of education, your love for what this country represents, your unparalleled work ethic have made me the person I am today. Mami, Papi, gracias por todos los sacrificios que hicieron para mí y que hacen todavía para mí y para tus nietas. Nunca tendré suficientes palabras para expresar el profundo amor que tengo para ustedes y el orgullo de ser tu hija. Gracias por todo, Mami, Papi.